healing is not really about forgetting the bad things that's happened. It's creating new memories to remind your body na that wasn't my only option. I have other options too. I can do better. I can meet new people. So the fastest way to heal is to find somebody new.
Ayun na tayo.
But really, there's a science behind it. Of course, you don't immediately jump to a new relationship, but just think about your brain. Parang infinity sign yan. For 8 years, yan yung takbo ng brain mo. So when you break up, nagkakaroon ng break dun sa infinity. Masakit yun kasi parang hindi sana yung utak ko. Ang nasana yung utak ko. Flow, ganyan. So what happens is when you wanna move on fast, nagkaroon ng break yung infinity, gawa ka ng mga small infinity loops. Ibig sabihin, go out with new friends, go out with new people. Do not keep on reminding yourself of the familiar with that previous partner because you go back to that bigger infinity.
And stop falling in love with the familiar.
Yes.
Guys.
So go and create new infinity loops.